In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a trifold brochure in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Now in this window, you can find this option More Templates. Click on that. And here you have the option Search for Online Templates. Make sure you are connected to an internet connection, okay? In the search bar, simply type Brochure. Click on the search icon. And here we just need to look for a brochure which is in a 3 pages. Okay. Okay, so we have this one from here. This one. I mean like this one and this one. And then this is 2 pages. Okay, so let's go with this one. Interior design brochure or handy person brochure. It's up to you. I also have here florist brochure. Click on create. And this will be opened in your Microsoft Word. Okay, so as you can see, it has 3 pages, 1, 2, and 3, or I mean like a foldable. You can try fold this one. It's not about because there are two. You can fold it twice and then you can fold it thrice. So this is for trifold. Okay, and you just have to simply edit that from here. Okay, enter your own text, your code. You can add a picture in here, and then if you want to save it, click on the File tab, click on Save As, click on Browse. Then Save As type, change this to PDF, okay? And then click on Desktop, click on Save. And now let's go to the desktop. Okay? And so we have this one from here. Okay? So if you want to print it, just simply press Control P. And then you can simply, once this is printed, you just need to simply fold it thrice, okay? Choose your printer from here and click on print, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.